Happy Friday, everyone, on a nice, cloudy, rainy Friday. But the good news is it's going to be over soon. And the great news is we got another pool done in record time. This is the sweet job. Check it out. Got a nice double sheer waterfall with the lovely stacked stone on it, some travertine. Got shell lock paver system. Look at this pool deck. Nice two-tone. Doesn't that look great? Isn't that different? It's cool on your feet. We're about to be putting the salt in. Probably another week. This is the 1224 ivory with a nice decorative border. Got a couple bubblers in the sun shelf. We'll be putting the covers on those. The plaster's curing good. Nice super blue. Got the strip towels on the inside. And a offset safety bench on the deep end. It's a little hot. I'm about to jump in and test it out for the customer. They're out of town for a few weeks, so I just wanted to show this to everyone. What a beautiful job we did. And like a beautiful job we always do. So y'all have a great Friday. And we're going to be building a pool near you somewhere. And don't forget, let's get swimming. See y'all soon. Take care.